The most beautiful butterflies of the world. Part 2. Butterflies are among nature's most enchanting creations, admired for their vibrant colors, delicate wings, and graceful flight. Found in every corner of the globe, from rainforests to meadows, each butterfly species showcases unique patterns and adaptations. This collection celebrates 40 of the most fascinating butterflies worldwide, highlighting their beauty, diversity, and the vital roles they play in ecosystems. 21. The Clipper, Parthenos sylvia. The clipper is a fast-flying butterfly found in South and Southeast Asia. It has large wings with distinctive patterns, usually green, blue, or brown with white markings. It prefers forested areas and is often seen gliding gracefully. 22. Cloudless sulfur butterfly, Phoebus seni. Bright yellow and fast-flying, this butterfly ranges across the Americas. It's a strong migrator and is often seen fluttering through open fields. Its caterpillars feed on cassia and senna plants. 23. Blackleg tortoiseshell, Nymphalis polychloros. This European butterfly has rich orange wings with dark spots and a ragged edge. It hibernates in tree hollows or sheds during winter. It favors orchards, woodlands, and sunny clearings. 24. Cairns birdwing butterfly, Ornithoptera euphorbion. Australia's largest butterfly, the Cairns birdwing has striking green and black wings in males and larger, more colorful females. Found in northeastern Queensland, it is a rainforest dweller. Conservation has helped its numbers recover. 25. Common Jezebel butterfly, Delias eucharis. This butterfly is known for its white upper wings and vibrant red, yellow, and black underwings. Found throughout South and Southeast Asia, it often flutters high in trees. Its bright colors warn predators of its toxicity. 26. Orange oakleaf butterfly, Kallima inachus. A master of camouflage, this butterfly resembles a dead leaf when its wings are closed. When open, its wings reveal bright orange and blue. It inhabits tropical forests across Asia and uses mimicry for defense. 27. Bhutan glory, Bhutanitis lididale. This rare and elegant butterfly is native to the eastern Himalayas. It features black wings with cream bands and long tails. Due to its limited range and forest habitat, it is considered near threatened. 28. Kaiser I Hind butterfly, Tinopalpus imperialis. This regal-looking butterfly is named Emperor of India and is found in the Himalayas. Males display shimmering green wings with distinctive markings. It's highly prized by collectors and protected in many regions. 29. Duke of Burgundy butterfly, Hamiarus lucina. A small, rare butterfly found in Europe, particularly the UK. Its wings are brown with orange spots and a checkerboard pattern. It prefers sunny grasslands and woodland clearings and is in decline due to habitat loss. 30. Forest giant owl butterfly, Caligo eurylochus. This large butterfly from Central and South America has huge eye spots resembling owl eyes on its wings. It is crepuscular, flying mostly at dusk and dawn. Its caterpillars feed on banana plants. 31. Heliconius butterflies, Heliconius numata. These tropical butterflies are known for their vivid warning colors and mimicry. Native to Central and South America, they often display black wings with bright orange and yellow bands. They also feed on pollen, which is rare among butterflies. 32. Sea green swallowtail butterfly, Papilio loquinianus. Native to Indonesia and surrounding islands, this butterfly dazzles with its metallic green and blue wings. It prefers rainforest habitats and is often seen fluttering near streams. Males are especially territorial. 33. Emerald swallowtail butterfly, Papilio polynerus. One of the most stunning green butterflies, it features iridescent scales that reflect brilliant emerald hues. Native to Southeast Asia, it thrives in tropical rainforests. Its beauty makes it a favorite in butterfly houses. 34. European peacock butterfly, Inachus io. Recognizable by its striking eye spots on each wing, this butterfly is common across Europe. It hibernates in cold months and is often one of the first to appear in spring. Its vivid markings scare off predators. 35. Purple hairstreak butterfly, Favenius quercus. A small butterfly native to oak woodlands in Europe. Its upper wings shimmer with a deep purple tint, visible mainly in males. It is elusive and usually flies high in the tree canopy. 36. Great Mormon butterfly, Papilio memnon. This large and elegant butterfly from South and Southeast Asia exhibits striking sexual dimorphism. Males are typically black with blue sheen, while females show varied patterns. It frequents gardens and forests alike. 37. Giant swallowtail butterfly, Papilio crescens. North America's largest butterfly, it has dark brown wings with yellow bands and tails. Its caterpillars resemble bird droppings to avoid predators. It is commonly seen in citrus groves. 38. Glasswing butterfly, Greta otto. Famous for its transparent wings, this butterfly is native to Central America. Its see-through wings help it blend into its surroundings and avoid predators. It has a graceful, ghost-like flight. 39. Goliath birdwing, Ornithoptera goliath. One of the largest butterflies in the world, it is found in New Guinea. Males display brilliant green and black wings, while females are even larger but less colorful. It's a powerful flyer and a rainforest icon. 40. Zebra longwing, Heliconius charitonia. This butterfly is easily identified by its long, narrow wings striped with black and yellow. Native to the Americas, it's the official state butterfly of Florida. Known for its slow, graceful flight and social roosting behavior. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. G. Sobhanadri Rao.